What is integral excellence? Hi, my name is Raju Pakalapati. I'm the founder of Integral Excellence. So the word excellent, if you analyze, X means out, cell or cellare means rise. So excellent or excellence means rising above. It's rising above being average, it's rising above being mediocre. In the normal context, often people use or say that somebody is excellent and somebody may be average. But excellence in a more profounder way refers to realizing our own true potential to be above average. So we all have that capability to either underperform or perform in an average way or excel. Yeah, so that's the meaning of excellence. So then what is integral excellence? Normally, excellence is referred to in the context of somebody excelling in a particular area. So it could be their career, they do well in career and one is recognized for it, which is well and fine. But you also see where somebody has excelled in a particular career, but they have not developed well or have struggled in other aspects of their life. So integral excellence is about excelling in all the key aspects of life. And the key aspects of life can be broadly divided into 4 set of values. These 4 values are ethical values, which is the foundation of everything in life, followed by material values. And material values do not just mean material wealth, but it also means physical health and fitness. Then there is social values, because you don't do things for yourself, but you do for others as well. How you relate to others. So that includes your personal relationships, that also includes contributing to society through your career. Also, you do volunteer work, serve others. And the last set of values is inner well-being. So these are the 4 pillars of values that one should excel together, and that is integral excellence.